there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that saves you money and time by comparing products so you can make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a showdown between the ELEGOO Mars 4 and the QIDI Q1 Pro. Get ready for a battle of epic plastic melting proportions. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The ELEGOO Mars 4 comes in at a wallet-friendly $309. That's right, folks, it's cheaper than a year's worth of avocado toast. On the other hand, the QIDI Q1 Pro will set you back a whopping $699. For that price, it better print me a new best friend. Reviewers love the ELEGOO Mars 4 for its affordability without compromising on print quality, while the QIDI Q1 Pro is seen as a premium investment for those who want top-tier features. Now, speed and quality are where things get spicy. The Mars 4 boasts a 7-inch 9K mono LCD screen with a resolution of 8,520 * 4,320 and a max printing speed of 70 millimeters per hour. That's faster than my grandma's knitting club on Red Bull. But hold on to your filaments, because the QIDI Q1 Pro features a dual Z-axis and Core XY system with a ludicrous speed of up to 600 millimeters per second. That's like going from a Prius to a Tesla Roadster. Vroom vroom! Reviewers praise the ELEGOO Mars 4 for its excellent print quality and speed, while the QIDI Q1 Pro is lauded for its blazing fast printing capabilities. ELEGOO Mars 4 uses a COB UV light source with 36 LEDs for super realistic model details and a laser-carved build plate for stronger adhesion. It's like the superglue of 3D printers. Meanwhile, the QIDI Q1 Pro doesn't need fancy light shows. It's got an active heating chamber temperature control system, which sounds like something from a sci-fi movie. It can heat up to 60 degrees Celsius to keep those pesky filaments in line. Reviewers appreciate the Mars 4 for its detailed prints, while the QIDI Q1 Pro gets kudos for its advanced heating system. ELEGOO Mars 4 has the Voxel Dance Tango slicing software, with 3 printing modes and a 3.5-inch touchscreen. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your 3D printing needs. QIDI Q1 Pro, on the other hand, is the cool kid at the party. It's ready to print right out of the box in just 10 minutes, and it even comes with a 1080p HD camera for real-time monitoring. It's like having a personal 3D printing butler. Users find the Mars 4 relatively easy to use, but note the manual can be vague, while the QIDI Q1 Pro is praised for its user-friendly setup and monitoring features. ELEGOO Mars 4 is great for resin printing, but it's a bit picky with its diet. QIDI Q1 Pro, however, is the omnivore of 3D printers. It handles PLA, PETG, TPU, PVA, PET, ABS, ASA, PA, PC, carbon fiber, and glass fiber without breaking a sweat. It's like the buffet of the 3D printing world. Reviewers love the Mars 4 for its resin print quality, but wish it had more material compatibility, while the QIDI Q1 Pro is celebrated for its versatility with different filaments. Reviewers love the ELEGOO Mars 4 for its affordability and high-quality prints, though they note the instruction manual could be clearer. On the other hand, the QIDI Q1 Pro is celebrated for its speed, advanced features, and versatility, making it a valuable investment for those willing to spend more. So there you have it, smart buyers. If you're on a budget and want quality prints without breaking the bank, the ELEGOO Mars 4 is your go-to. But if you're all about speed, versatility, and have some extra cash to burn, the QIDI Q1 Pro is your new best friend. What do you think? Which 3D printer would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy printing! Product links are in the description.